Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft Edge on Windows from Microsoft Easy Tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Visit the official Microsoft Edge download page. You can find it by typing Microsoft Edge download in your search bar. Once on the page, locate the download button. Click the download button to start the downloading process. Your browser will automatically begin downloading the Edge installer. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Find the installer file, usually named Microsoft Edge Setup.exe. Double-click the installer to launch it. A user account control prompt may appear. If prompted, click Yes to allow the installation to proceed. The installation window will open, and the setup process will begin. Microsoft Edge will start downloading necessary files for installation. This may take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the installation will continue automatically. A window will appear showing the progress of the installation. When the installation is finished, Microsoft Edge will open automatically. You can now set Edge as your default browser if prompted. To do this, follow the on-screen instructions. Explore the features of Microsoft Edge to customize your browsing experience. You have successfully installed Microsoft Edge on Windows. Enjoy your new browsing experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.